Now 2.31 minus 2.51 into 7. Already discussing about in BODMAS rule. Now you can see in first these two also can multiple. 2.51 into 2.15 into 7. Now you can directly can solve. 7 5s are how much? 35. Now 3 7 1s are here 10. 1 7 2s are how much? 14 and 15. Now guys, in decimal means decimal how many points to decimal having? Decimal after how many numbers present? You keep it in decimal after means 1 2, okay, 15.05. Now then after you can solve in minus. You can solve after 5 minus 1 4. Now here 0 to not having in 3. Now keep it in a carry from in 5 to means 10 to 7. Here 4 4 to 1 decimal is 12.74. This is only answer. Now you can solve after how like having you can see in a blackboard. Now this type of method means can follow in BODMAS rule, must and should guys. Okay. Now question number 5. Now guys, this is symbol what present into. Into is very important. Already I am said in formula. For example, fraction to present means numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Okay, this is into formula. Now you can write all numbers in formula, and this is how like can having you can see. This is one number is different present, another two numbers is different like present. Now this is mixed fraction, fraction and mixed fraction. So this is how like can having. Now simply guys, this is all ones also one method only can convert means you can fraction to convert. Now this number can means mixed fraction to convert. Now this simply means what? This is convert from in a fraction like. Now this is mixed fraction to convert from fraction. Now having in formula what? This mixed fraction to fraction convert means what? This formula n d into w into d into naught plus n by d. This is convert from mixed fraction to fraction like structure. Understand guys? Now you can convert. Whole number means what? 1 into d means 3 plus n means 2. Now d is how much? 3. 1 3 is how much? 3. 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Now another one fraction is 5 by 9. Same only this formula can also can put it this number. 4 into 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. Simply 5 by 4. Okay. Keep it in brain to keep it in formula. Simply you can solve this type of method. Now already previous this is formula said into means what? Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Both 3 5s can multiple and both this is also both can this is also can both also can multiple. Okay, 5 5. How many 5s? 3 5s are 25. Not 3 5s how much? 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 how much? 5 5s are 25. 125. Okay, here both also can multiple. 9 4s are 36. 36 into 3. 18 1 108. Okay, this is answer. 125 by 108. Okay, understand guys? 125 by 108 answer. Now this type of method what formula? Mixed fraction means present means you can convert from fraction. This is formula w into means w means what? Whole number. Whole number into denominator plus n by d. Now you can convert from mixed fraction to fraction. Okay. Now question number 6. Sir, this is different type of question present. Now this is how like having different water. This is only same one. Already previous class discuss means previous step to already previous question to also discussing about you and me. Now this is question what? These are also decimal to present, but different symbol present. Now you can do it also Bodmas rule. Why? Because you get bracket present. Now you started from the bracket. You can solve in bracket to which questions means different type of question present, and you can solve the first bracket. Now decimal present. Decimal to can convert means how like having is also plus 2 present. Now simply can do it all also can plus means all also can plus means series like present only na you can plus done all also. Now 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 7 how much 8, 8 plus 2 10 means keep it in 1. Now 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 90 present. These are also decimal present. That this is decimal not present. That's why these all also can check decimal after how many numbers. All also equal present, and that's why you can directly can keep it in a 9 means 0 before 1. Okay, why? Because decimal after one number only, decimal after one number only. And then after into 0.9. So this is how I can have it. That's only you can solve after you can see guys. This is both also decimal present. This decimal present, this is into how like having. Now this decimal to convert from fraction like structure. Already previous class to say. Decimal to convert from fraction. How like having once you can see guys. Decimal to convert from fraction means decimal after how many numbers that denominator to that number can one after that number zeros can keep. Decimal after how many numbers present? One number only. Now this is convert from 90 and that number can mix by decimal after how many numbers? One number only. One you can keep. One is must and solely. Any numbers present but one you can keep. But decimal after count how many numbers present and that number can keep it in 10. How many numbers and that zeros can keep. Now into and this is also is both also can mix means 9 0 to not value and then after you can keep it in 9 means decimal after how many numbers? One number, and that's why now both also can multiple 90 into 8 10, 10 into 10 100, and then after this is fraction present. Now this is convert from in decimal. How like having you can see denominator how many numbers means how many one after how many zeros present? Two zeros. Now you count it one after means count it two and two numbers to can keep it in means decimal. Now two zeros present. Now count in ones place 2. 1 2 means 8.10. Okay. Now answer is 8.10. Now 8.10 not present means answer is 8.1. Okay. 0 is not value and not value. Value less 0 and that's why I am writing 8.1 and this is only answer. Now question number 7. Sorry, question number 7 only. Now guys, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Now this is both also symbols different present. One is plus and another is minus. Now denominators also same not present. How like having already previous said in LCM how like having. Now you can see Bodmas rule can follow. First you can plus then after minus. And that's why you can take it in both number first step 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Both denominators not present means same like. Now already you can do it in LCM. Now take it in LCM. 3 and 2 means 2 table to any number present means you are having means 2 present. Now 3 not present directly can down keep it 2 1 here and another one 3 table to 1 not present means directly already over means I already said in previous 1 1 having means completely LCM having. Now we both also can multiple all also. Now 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 means 2 3 is 6 6 6 1 is 6. Now LCM how much came? 6. Now take it in position. Now 3. 3 table to how much having 6? 3 table to 2 means 3 twos means you can write in 2 here. Okay, 2 right. Why? Because you confuse having. That's why you can write in 2. Why? Because here 2 present and that's why you cannot confuse. And that's why you can write means you easily can solve. Man, this 2 you can multiple in up to numerator. 3 up to any number present in this cross multiplication having. Means 2 to 4 plus same only. This is 2 can solve. 2 how much having in 6? How much table to 2 3 is 6. You can come multiple in 3. 3 1 is 3. Now 4 plus 3 how much? 7 by 6. Now over this is one of the one of the fraction. Now remaining one present you can solve. This is 2. Now 3 by 5 minus 7 by 6. Now you can solve. Both also can LCM do. 5 6. 5 1 is 6. 6 1 is 5 6 is how much? 30 into 1. 30 only. Okay, keep it in down 1. Same only guys. 5 how much table to means how much into done you can how much you multiple done in 30 can. 5 6 are you can write in 6. Okay, 6 into 3 18 minus same only can do it in 6 how much multiple and how much multiple in 30 can. 6 5 5 7 35. Now you can minus down 35 minus 18 how much having? 35 minus 18 how much having? 15 minus 18. Now 5 not present you can carry from in 1. Now 15 minus 8 how much? 7. Now here how much present? 2 and 1. 17 minus 30. Now you can see guys, this is only keep it in your mind. Now here guys, in big number to only minus present. Okay, big number to minus present. Small number to any one not sign present means here plus. Now you can keep it your brain. Any sign big number to plus or minus present, that answer can keep it in answer to that sign can keep. Okay, here 35 to minus present means answer is minus 17 by 30. Understand guys? Big number to sign any present means for example into present means you cannot sign, but plus minus you can must and should. Plus present means you directly leave it means not sign keep means having in plus. But minus present means must and should you can keep it minus. Okay, big number to before any sign present means you keep it in a answer to that sign to minus 17 by 30. Okay, this all questions also solve. This is only yesterday. This is only different type of questions. Now you can solve means you can video to these questions can practice more than practice. Now tomorrow this type of questions and another ones key you can send in PDF file. Okay, and tomorrow I am test these questions how like you can solve means this is to how can you understand you and me also my class to you and how like can understand you. Now okay, goodbye guys. Stay home must and should. Now must and should guys all members can like and subscribe to keep it in. Click down the button. Okay, goodbye.